Hello, Morales Rocket parents. This video is going to show you how to access our Clever portal from home. First, you will need your students' login information. So they will need their login, which is their first and last initial, and their student ID number. And then they will need their password. If your student does not know their password, they can contact their homeroom teacher, and their homeroom teacher will give you that information. What you're first going to do is you're going to go to your web browser and you're going to type in Pasadena ISD Clever. You're going to click on the Pasadena Independent School District Clever login page, and it will bring you to the Pasadena Independent School District Clever page. To log into Clever, you're going to use the bottom one where it says Login to Clever, and this is where you're going to type in your student's information. Again, their username is their first and last initial, and their student ID number. Then they will type in their password underneath it. Again, if your student does not know their login information, please reach out to the homeroom teacher so that they can give you that information. It will bring them to this Clever homepage for Morales Elementary. Their teacher page will be shown here, which if their teacher has accessed extra applications that they would like for you to utilize, that's where those apps will be. And if your student scrolls down, they will see all of the applications available to you by the district. When you click Dreambox, it will automatically log you in, and they can get started on their lessons. For iStation, if you do not already have the application installed on your device, it will bring you to an install like here. And it will tell you all how to access launching iStation from Chrome, launching iStation from an Apple device, and all of that. So once you have that installed, it will automatically log them in as well. So all you would have to do is to download the iStation app onto your device, and it will automatically log them in as well.